Let's discuss the third pillar of OOP's concept, inheritance. Inheritance allows us to define a class that inherits all the methods and properties from another class. Parent class is the class being inherited from, also called base class. Child class is the class that inherits from another class, also called derived class. Let's understand with coding demonstration. First we will write the code for the parent class animal. Code for the parent class is ready. Now let's create a child class dog. To create a child class, we give the parent class name within parentheses beside child class name. For now we will just inherit all the properties and methods of parent class, and we will not make any changes. For that we have just added pass keyword within child class dog. As you can see, we have successfully inherited all the methods and properties of parent class to child class. Now we will add init function to the child class and try to add some more methods and properties. When we create an init function to our child class, the child class will no longer inherit the parent's init function. So to keep the inheritance, we add a call to the parent's function. We will override the sound method of parent class and modify it in child class. As you can see, we have added one new property, noise, in the child class dog. Looks like we have not provided the value of noise while creating the object. Cool. Our code works fine. Let's create one new method to child class that is not in parent class. Python also has a super function that will make the child class inherit all the methods and properties from its parent. You can use super in place of parent class name, it will work the same. That's all for today. Hope I was able to make you understand the concepts easily. If so, please subscribe to this channel and like this video. Leave your suggestions in the comments. I will see you in the next video. Bye.